not only shareholders, but all our stakeholders. And in doing so, we are doing a little bit for this country as well. Bajaj Housing Finance was started in 2017, right? 7 years ago. So not too long ago. But again, with that focus to say that as India is rising, so are the aspirations of every Indian. And how can we help them through this company in realizing their dreams to own a home? And the strategy, which Atul will talk about in more detail, has been to participate in every segment within mortgages so that we offer our services to customers across India, across income levels, across geographies, but we also build a business that is diversified where it comes to risk, where we can balance growth and profitability to build a sustainable business. And in this short span of 7 years, Bajaj Housing Finance has emerged as the fastest growing housing finance company in the country and one of the largest. Our AUM was about 50,000 crores in FY22, 2.5 years ago, and that itself would have made us one of the biggest. But now by FY24, we crossed to 90,000 crores, and as was just mentioned, over 96 or 97,000 crores as of Q1 of this year. And we still believe that we are only at the starting point of the whole opportunity that this country has provided, aided by a number of productive and proactive policies by the government for housing, not only housing to salaried customers, but also affordable housing. So with that, we are very excited to be here today and make this announcement. Let me now ask Atul to take us through more details.
तो ये थे संजीव बजाज, बजाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस का आईपीओ, जो कि पिछले काफ़ी समय से जिसकी बात की जा रही है, मोस्ट अवेटेड आईपीओ है। बजाज फाइनेंस ग्रुप की एक और कंपनी जो कि लिस्टेड होने की तैयारी में है, बजाज फाइनेंस, बजाज फिनसर्व, अब हाउसिंग कारोबार को मोनेटाइज करने की कोशिश और हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कारोबार को भी अब यहाँ पर कंपनी लिस्ट करने जा रही है। तो एक बड़ा आईपीओ है और उसी की जानकारी कंपनी का मैनेजमेंट देता हुआ, कुछ भी जानकारी यहाँ पर इंपॉर्टेंट निकल कर आएगी तो वो हम आपके सामने एक एक करके रखेंगे। प्राइस बैंड क्या तय हुई है और किस तरीके से मैनेजमेंट प्लान करेगा इस आईपीओ के जरिए यूटिलाइज करने की, ये हम आगे समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। बजाज फाइनेंस आज हालांकि मुनाफा वसूली है। पिछले काफ़ी समय से बजाज फाइनेंस और बजाज फिनसर्व चल रहे थे दोनों ही स्टॉक, लेकिन आज थोड़ी मुनाफा वसूली देखने को मिल रही है। दोनों ही स्टॉक लाल निशान में कारोबार कर रहे हैं।